How to activate the full screen mode in the Google Chrome web browser. Let's start. I am on the Chrome web browser now. To activate the full screen mode, I'm going to show you a couple different methods to do that. First, the easiest method is the keyboard shortcut. Is the F11 key? I'm going to hit the F11 key. It has now went to the full screen mode. Solutions for activating F11 in Chrome on a laptop if it doesn't work. 1. Use the Fn key plus F11. The Fn function key is usually located next to Control in the lower left corner. Now I can either hit the F11 key to come out of full screen, or I can move my mouse cursor to the very top. You see that little X appear there? I'm going to click on the little X. Let me bring it up again. Now I have came out of full screen mode. Another way to enable the full screen mode is to click on the upper right-hand corner up to the 3-dot menu. Then you'll go down to where it says Zoom. And on the far right of Zoom, you'll see this little box over here if you put your mouse cursor over it. It says full screen. I'm going to click on that little box. Now I have went into full screen mode. Now I can either hit the F11 key, or I can move my mouse cursor to the very top. The little X appears, click on that X, and I come out of full screen mode. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.